Assalamu alaikum, welcome to Nasir Soft. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can move this legend in Chartjs to the bottom. Okay, so for example, by default, the legend is on the top. So how can I move the legend to the bottom? So this is basically our today topic agenda, and this is very simple. For example, if I go to my code, here you can see that inside this new chart CTS that we defined that my chart. Okay, and this basically we get the id of my chart div and save the constant inside the ctx, and inside this one here you can see this is the line chart, this is the data, and okay, this is the script. So after the data here you need to add few thing more. For example, the options. Okay, and if I paste the code here, this code is also mentioned in video description, so you can just copy and paste this code. This is the options, and inside the option this is the plugins, and inside the plugin the legend, and inside the legend the position of legend is we define at bottom. If I save the file, go to the browser, and if I refresh, you can see that legend is moved from top to bottom. So this is how you can basically move the legends in the uh, Chartjs. So hope this video will help you a lot. If you have any question regarding to this topic, you can just go to the video description question link and ask your question, or you can you can ask your question inside the video comment section. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more informative videos. Stay blessed. Have a nice day.